Why people then say time waits and no man, much less woman. Because I wanted to make some breakfast, but then time just run away, leave me. And now it's lunchtime. So now it's going to be brunch. I'm going to make some curry vegetable with some banana and sweet potato. I washed my vegetable already and I started cutting up. I'm using half of a cabbage, 1 tomato, 2 stalks of scallion, a piece of bell pepper, green, a piece of yellow. Then I'm going to use 1 carrot. And that's it. Yep. And I started cutting up already. Because I'm telling you, the time just went so fast. And I'm hungry. Alright people, welcome back. Normally, I'm finished cutting up my veg. Normally, what I do if I'm going to do some curry veg, I normally season my vegetable first. So, in this, I use 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of the thyme flake, 1 teaspoon of oxtail seasoning. I'm going to mix it in. So this is done. I'm going to put a little olive oil in the pot. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of curry. 1 teaspoon of curry. Look at the curry in the pot, people. Look at the curry in the pot. Let's put our vegetable in the pot. Let's give that a stir. Look how it's pretty. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to cover that for 5 minutes and then I check it. Welcome back. Let's check the pot. Wonderful. Yeah. Let's give it a little stir. When you're cooking vegetable, it brings its own water, especially cabbage. You turn your stove on medium for it to cook, and it brings its own water. Alright, I'm going to put a little butter in it. About this amount of butter. I like my vegetable not too soft, not too hard. Just in between. So, I'm going to cover it another 5 more minutes and it is done. But first, let's give it a taste to see if we want to put any more touch-up seasoning in it. Tastes good. No need no more seasoning. But people, you can season to taste. But that's all I wanted in it. You can put salt in it if you want. It's up to you. Season to taste. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes. Then I'm going to plate some out. Come right back to you. Okay people, I'm done. So this is my brunch. Curry vegetable. Remember I told you I was supposed to make it for breakfast. But then the time got so late. I was doing something. Time run away with me. So I said, you know what? Let's still make it and have it for lunch. So, brunch. So this is it. My curry vegetable with a piece of plantain, a piece of banana, piece of sweet potato, and piece of dashi. Look at this, people. Isn't that wonderful? And let me tell you, it tastes real good. Okay, people, looking at the food. Isn't that nice? And let me tell you, it tastes real good. Curry vegetable. People, give this one a try. It's nice. Not a lot of grease. So this is my brunch. Mr. Francis is at work. I didn't work this weekend, so I just said, oh, let me do something quick, a quick breakfast. Let me tell you, I'm enjoying it. But anyway, people, this was a quick breakfast. Not staying long with you today. Please go ahead and try it. Comment and let me know what you think about this one. It's really good. Please, I'm asking you to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We are getting there, people. Please, I'm asking you to subscribe. We're almost there. Not yet there to 1,000, but we're almost there. So, until next time, eat good food, make belly bust. Thanks for watching. Them